Students of class 6, today in the numbers we will do exercise 1.2 chapter 1. Question number 4, estimate the product by estimating each term to its greatest place. Number A is to its greatest place. So we know rounding off can be to the nearest tens, nearest hundred, nearest thousand. Okay, so we had done that already. So here what we will do, first we will round them off to the greatest place. Now here you see the greatest place is the 100 place, and the other number also has the digits up to 100 place. So that's why we need to round both of them off to their nearest 100 place. So 458 to the greatest place, that is 100 place, will be rounded off as 500. Why 500? Because you know that when you are rounding off to the 100 place, you will have to see the tens place. In the tens place, if the digit is 5 or more than 5, then the 100 place will be increased by 1. That's why 4 plus 1 5, and rest will be 0 0. So 500. Next one, 512 is rounded off as again 500. Why 500? Because digit in the tens place is less than 5. So you know when the digit is 0 1 2 3 4, then the number that the place which you are rounding off remains the same. So here it was 500 and the digit in the tens place is 1. That's why it will remain same, 500. Then it's very simple to multiply 500 into 500. You multiply 5 into 5 is 25, and put the 4 zeros in front of that. So we get ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 2 lakh, 50,000. Next one, in A you had to round off to its greatest place, while in question number B you have to round them off to the nearest tens. So again the same number 458 and 512. We'll round them off to the nearest tens. So 458 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 460. Why 460? Because when you are rounding off to the nearest tens, you need to see the ones place. In the ones place, if you have 5 or more than 5, then one more will be added here. That's why 5 plus 1 will become 6, and here will be 0. So you will have 460. Then 512 rounded off to the nearest 10 will be 510. It will remain 510. Why? Because when you are rounding off to the nearest tens, you see the ones place is less than 5, so the tens place digit will remain same, so it will be 510. Now multiply them. 460 multiplied by 510, the ordinary way of multiplication you can apply in this case. So you will get 2,34,600. So this is what you need to do in this type of questions. You will round them off as per the question asks us to do. Okay, the next one now. Now in question number 5, estimate the quotient by estimating each term to its greatest place. This time estimate the quotient. We have to find out the estimated quotient. Quotient means by division. Division, what you get, that is the quotient. So to the greatest place, that means 887 will be rounded off to the nearest 100, and 32 will be rounded off to the nearest tens, because it has up to tens place. Now 887 is rounded off as 900. Why 900? Because when you are rounding off to the 100 place, then you will see the tens place is more than 5, 5 or more than 5, then add 1 here, so 900. 32 is rounded off as 30. Why 30? Because when you are rounding off to the greatest place, it is up to tens place, and the ones place is less than 5, so tens place will remain same, and ones place will be 0, so it is 30. So 900 now divided by 30, we know 33 times is 90, 0 down, 30, 0 times 0, so 30 is the quotient. And this is how you will be completing the rest of the work. Okay, thank you.